Hey flowers, it's your girl Reese LaFleur and I'm back with another video, and this is going to be a soft glam makeup tutorial. Get into it. Most of the products used are from JUVIA'S. I decided to use JUVIA'S foundation. Again, I will actually link my review for JUVIA'S up above. Yeah, so before we get into the tutorial, I want you guys to subscribe to my channel, hit the little bell for notifications so that anytime that I do upload a video, you are notified. Go ahead and thumbs up this video, comment down below, share this video with your friends, like, comment, share, subscribe. You already know. Don't forget to join the flower game. You might as well. You're here and you're gonna love me. Alright guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. Remember to bloom, because a flower is simply a soul blossoming in nature. Hey, okay, so we're going in with my Dr. Brandt Luminizing Primer. This is my favorite. And we're just going to rub all of that in. Rub it into the skin. Y'all know how we do. Now I'm taking my Pretty Vulgar translucent powder and I'm just setting my primer. I'm doing this because if you did see my review for JUVIA'S, I feel like it spreads a little bit too much. So yeah. So this is my Nubian 2 palette. Is that the Nubian 2 palette? Yes. Okay, so I'm just going in with the color Madagascar, and I'm using that as my transition color. Now I'm using the color Kenya. And this is the ooh, sis, I don't remember the name of this color, but it's like the golden brownish goldish color. And I'm just using that all over my lid. I didn't want to cut the crease, but I am going a little bit on top of that Kenya with that gold shimmer, just to make my eyelid look like it exists a little bit more than it does. Hooded eye struggle, I'm telling you, but I do like the way it came out. And because this is a soft glam look, I didn't want to do too much, you feel me? So this is my JUVIA'S foundation. This is the shade Lagos. I should have gotten a different shade for the summertime. I'm pretty sure this is my winter shade. It does oxidize darker than this, but it is a little off. So you can see like on the sides it's a little bit oxidized. So I'm using my JUVIA'S Place Magic Concealers. This is number 12 and my contour color is number 3. So I'm just blending out all of that concealer with my brush. And then here is my number 3 concealer, and we're going to go in and do our contour. Do y'all see that pimple on my chin? I don't know. My skin has just been like really trying to play me. I've had like 10 pimples in the last week. Like one goes away and one comes like in a different spot. So freaking annoying. So I'm blending out my contour with my Morphe brush. And I'm blending out that as much as possible. You want to make sure you blend, blend, blend. My voice is cracking. Excuse me. Okay, that's a lot better. No, it's not. Okay. So once we're done blending that out, of course we're going to go in with our setting powders. That's my Beauty Bakerie brown one, and then the translucent Pretty Vulgar powder. And we're taking a dance moment. So I am doing my eyeliner that I learned from Alyssa Ashley. I will link this video up above so you can see how I learned how to do this wing liner using her tutorial. And I still do it the same way until I'm a little bit more comfortable with doing it just like regular human beings. So right now we're still going to be drawing shapes on my eye in order to get this done. And that's just what it's going to have to be. That's just what it's going to have to be. Using this foundation, I really can see my tan. Like, seriously. Seriously. Alright, y'all. So I went ahead and did my other eye. And now I'm going to dust off all of that powder. Now I'm going in with my True Complexion contour palette from Black Radiance, and I'm going to add that above my contour and to add some warmth to my face. My face was looking a little bit flashy, a little bit flashbacky. Now I'm going in with my Berry Shimmer blush from Wet n Wild. And this also adds some warmth to the face, especially when you realize that you use a foundation that's a little bit lighter. These items help to, you know, mirage that a lot. And I said the word mirage because this is the Morphe highlighter from, and it's called Mirage. So, did you see how I did that? This highlight though, popping, booming, loving it. Sis. Are you dumb? When a New York girl says, are you dumb? Like, why do we say it like that? Are you dumb? Are you dumb? So this is my Better Than Sex mascara. I have a whole bunch of mascaras, but y'all know how I am. I use the same thing over and over and over again. So if I love it, I'm gonna use it. So that's why you always see it. But maybe I should start using other ones. Maybe. So I went ahead and did my lashes. These lashes I got from AliExpress, which I ordered a bunch of them for like $20. So cute, lit, whatever. All right, so now I'm using my Sistar Earthly Brown eyeliner. My Sistar eyeliners, lip liners, excuse me, they are like some of the best, and this is my favorite brown lip liner. So this is another fave that you always see. This is my lipstick from blah, 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 blah. It will be down in the description box because I can't remember. But it's like a pinky nude, and I love this color. And I think it's a nice nude for this look. I didn't want everything to be too brown, and I also wanted it to match my top a little bit. It gives me a blush look, and blush is my favorite color, so duh. So guys, this is the final look. I do actually love how this makeup look came out. My skin looks amazing. I'm actually satisfied with the way that I did this foundation. Yeah, so I hope to see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to join the flower gang, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Mwah.